Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar Tems. She released Burning, one of the newer songs. Let's take a look at this one with capo on the 4th fret, and I really like this song, so let's go over the chords. We have the E minor, and that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, third B added to this chord, and open E. So we have this third B. That is the note we're going to highlight later. We have the next chord, F major 7. That is third on D, second on G, first B, and open E. We have this D next, variation on the D. That is open D, second G, first B, and open E. And then we have the A minor, two different grips for this chord. And that is... we have first one, open A, second D, second G, first B, and third E. That is one note we want to highlight, but we also have this grip over here. That is open A, and then you can go with open D or just skip that and just continue with, let's see, 5th G, open B, and 7th E. Okay? That is the chords. We also need to throw in a G in there. So that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Now we're ready for the song. And we have this main part that goes like this. We're gonna work with picking patterns. We start with E minor. So you now use the bass note there, which is the E string for the E minor. And you're gonna incorporate also the 3rd fret B string. That is the main note for this chord. So you incorporate the bass and this 3rd B, and you can also kick on some other strings in between there. It's not that important actually. So as far as you get the bass and the actual note you want to highlight, then everything else is just extra and fills out, gives more depth to the sound. So like this. And then you go to the F major. The bass note now is the 3rd fret D string, and the note you want to highlight here will be the open E string, the high E string. So here I pick actually all 4 strings. Then for next D chord, you pick all the strings there, the D, G, and the B. You want to highlight the 1st fret B string. So avoid the last E string here, just the 3 strings, D, G, and B. And for the first round, you have 2 rounds of this chord progression here. The first round will be this A minor, all right? So what I do here, I play the A string, and then I play the G, B, and E string. All these 4 strings together. That is the first round. The second round is played in the same way, E minor, F major, D, but the last A minor is played like this, okay? And that is the A string. You pick that one together with the G, B, and the E string. All 4 strings like this. You want to highlight, of course, the 7th E string down there. That's important, so really bring that in. All right, so and I do 1 clap in between the chords as well. So you have some rhythm going on there. Then you also have a strumming pattern you can play instead of the picking pattern. So if you choose to go that route, I'm going to show you how to do it. So we have, again, the E minor. That's the first chord. You're going to play part 1 for E minor, like this, down, down, clap. And then you shift to play part 2, the F major. That will be 3 downs, clap, and 1 down. And that is part 2. So together it makes up for 1 full chord progression, strumming around. So E minor, down, down, clap. And then F major, 3 downs, clap, and 1 down. Then you play the same principle on the D, part 1, you're going to play the down, down, clap, and then A minor, part 2, the down, 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 clap, down. So, and A minor. Here you could go with this chord, but it will sound a little bit different and a little messy, I believe. You could try it. I do it also. Probably I think I did it in the introduction of the tutorial. Anyway, it could work, but a more suited chord will be this one at the standard position for both rounds, both first and second round, to go with this. Okay, so one string around will be. Actually works with this, so you can go that A minor version as well. That is the main part. Then we have an outro part in this song, and that will be to play the D, one full string around, E minor one full, F major one full, and then for A minor you play the down, down, clap, part 1, and G you play part 2, down, 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 clap, down. So like this. You play that till the very end. It starts at 2 minutes and 3 seconds in and plays till the very end of this song. And that pretty much covers Tems Burning. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And if you did, feel free to support me here on Going Guitar. Till next time, play tuned.